Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find when your Priority Pass card expires. I'm going to show you how to find out when your Priority Pass card expires. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have Priority Pass and you're wondering when it expires because you're going on a trip soon. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the Priority Pass app and then go ahead and log in. Once you log in, click on Card on the bottom hand corner. And then this is going to show your digital membership card, which also includes when it expires. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find when your Priority Pass membership card expires. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.